In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the features of the new Sherpa Cordless Long Reach Hedge Trimmer Kit, STEB 918D. This is sold as a kit with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. So for the price that it's being sold for, you've got everything you need to get started. Additional batteries are available if you need longer run time, but as the kit comes, it's ready to use. The tool itself is just under 2 meters in length with a split shaft that you can take apart for storage, so it doesn't take up very much room when you're putting it away and not using it. You've got an 18-inch blade with 22mm spacing between the teeth, and that's the width of material that it can easily cut through. The head itself is adjustable. You've got 5 positions it can lock into, from 90 degrees through to 225 degrees, and they're just actuated by this lever here. So you release that and then put it into the position you want it. You've got a 2-point operating switch to prevent accidentally turning the machine on, and you've got a single shoulder strap to help support the weight of the machine while you're using it. The machine itself has a 2-year warranty, and the battery and charger have a 1-year warranty. So overall, what you have is a lightweight, easy to use hedge trimmer that you don't need to break your back trying to start, and isn't going to be too heavy when you're using it for extended periods of time. The overall lightweight and the split shaft nature of the design makes it easy to move about and store as well, so if you need to move it from site to site, that's really simple to do as well. This great value long reach hedge trimmer is available to buy now from Mower Magic. It's just a click away, and then you can have it next working day.